like Agya Koo. I will never see Agya Koo and greet Agya Koo. Me, I will never, ever see Kofi do Agya Koo and greet him or shake his hand. I will never do that stupid thing.
When was the last time who Nicolas Omani Achimpong?
Michia Nico, I say no for now.
Okay.
I'm saying no by election.
Okay.
Any Michia no, he didn't come or show me who he be.
He's your brother.
Oh, he's my brother.
He's your friend.
He was, but today he's not my friend.
Why?
He spoke negative about John Mama.
And that
that's end the relationship.
So now Agya Koo is your enemy?
Yeah, sure, he's my enemy.
Now Omani Achimpong
he's also enemy.
Now I don't know the honor or why you.
Omani Achimpong, Prophet Kobe did very well for his life. Time Ojijin Krofu was sikado the whole boka abruchina or pasheshe no. Ejima not or tall from cells to cells. Nungwa for watching na teshifu egejina ho. Wo beli na teshifu ajen. Teshifu didn't do Teshi police station and la for aba. La fu we beli na la for so ajen was a Nicola. Na usufu so aba. He was touring. Then Prophet Kobe came in. He saved his life and bought him a car. Last car, I mean I'm the car him. Nizai Pathfinder. What's the car no petrol? Why the Prophet Kobe bought a brand new car? I'm about Chrissy. Now what to over age car? Unfortunately, car no kitano or your V8. In the months you saw there or your 2.0 to the work no kitano. Because of that, he spoke bad things about Prophet Kobe. Since that day, no be enemy.
Wow. All because Nicolas said Prophet Kobe ato car
brand new car
Obapa Chrissy.
No need your to over age car na dia mano.
And Nicolas Omani
said still not them car no. Na my friend am catch na nyima. Them car na reckon one some car na oboku. I'm telling you start motor we na liwe. How's my bonu dia?
I say more car rainbow by can
yes. What on want to me use now? What on?
I say more car you be 80 10 years.
You see I'm so my word though. Me my word is my word. My word is my word. That is why the only person who to my menyanku pa Evan Ajimine, this guy, Ni Jones Ajimine. They know the way I am. And I'm like them. You can't say anything negative about Jones Ajimine to me or Evander or no. They know me.
Okay.
Our one is one, our two is two.
Okay, so now creative art form which is Nicolas Omani Achimpong and then Kofi do Agya Koo.
Ampon kra wa ko President Mama so agaji skada Ampon.
Huh?
Ampon and wife. Import no ko fa na ite. President Mama the driver. Agaji come on.
Why?
Ampon.
Isaac Ampon.
Ampon. Bisa no. Can be beautiful no kan. Me kan na me di so do min sro bia le o.
Okoji ska wo President Mahama.
Wa ko ho akaji ska da. Bisa no. On and wife na no work together. President Mama the driver ite no do ko. Bisa no. So when I see these people speaking negative about your mama because we're MPP, I see them like, so that's how you are. My politicians say, when you want politics, let them speak their negative words against themselves. But you don't have anything against the person, so don't come in and become an enemy.
What's your name for this election?
Policy the more some go.
He's
insulting President Mama. Later on, I say, on dinner them. Yanum policy there and more some go. Tell you who be a yetibo. Me, I can compose very well. I can sing very well. I can act very well. Now, we are actor, we are musician. Where did your mama them? Me buy your mama.
Oba benyum.
Buy your mama.
Oba bomudi.
Me bomudi when you perform kokot. Me kuto asama wokan yinti ama bodin.
Wow. Now, when Prince David say apology,
yeah, he has done well.
Okay,
he has done well.
Okay.
Because us friend ohun born order the channel. When we the one kasa ye. So social media we tweet as we post the oil sorry. I think people don't know Prince David say.
Yeah.
I think he said that statement under something. Okay. Because David said that I know. He will never make such a statement. Okay. People don't know Prince David say. Me, I know him very well.
Okay.
He's a very honest guy. He's not somebody No, Prince is not like that.
Okay.
I know Prince very well. Very, very well. He's a very kind guy.
Okay. And then I wish Ma Ora John Dramani Mahama as the president now. That wish is Ben award the man.
Somebody Kedi. Obia Mayina Kun. It's a kun. I wish him well. I wish him success. I want to see Ghana one day. Okay, China beautiful. Now, me what in chain. No nyako. Into nyako na yakasa na or yasha they win the phone so. Onyako until after that, I don't know. Beautiful. Paul want to talk to me, so let's make it fat. Inti yakasa no beautiful. Let's finish it. Nams daddy who? Also Paul Kigami want to talk to me. Nams daddy is your friend? I was yes. All of them they talk to me. I was beautiful. Sagana for and just 4 years in him. Foundation I met 2 years. No Africa country can compare herself. Power the fam. That's your mama for you. You see, some of us, if we are crazy about your mama, we know what he can do. Okay. Sikenyi ho. Why start warrior unnecessary recruitment? Yeah. Sami waha, Ajima waha, Mpenyifu waha. I am promising you, your mama will get money to manage the economy. Okay. God, angels, obadan won winyipa, wa preniska, must manage the economy because wamba for the influence.
Thank you.
This year, me hear you my DST before. Na me call Kumasi Kwadaso market. One of the Kwadaso market women British. Then I went. Because I mean, nice wine. The Benam so mammy, I'm major and son of Dadado. Many 50 the major and son, many 50 years and major and son. Oh no, major and son 2 years.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so my medical for wine about
America found him so mammy major and son more. No, so beautiful. Oh, papa Bawati. Oh, then papa no year 2. Make us a prophet could be crana or can I 7. No, so papa your mama. And I'm so mommy. A day in the woo ye. And my quad so. Market women more catch them say your mama eba. Okay. No see. And simi wa wokan no ye hu yanti ase but a fee and a yati ase. So Ajamai still me my name. Your mama is the best person. That 8 years name I call it wasted years.
Speak to the microphone.
That 8 years my friend wasted years. Why? Wasted years because baby and Ghana a progress able to this time, you reverse mom 20 years. I'm telling you. That is how I see it.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Odo who see who say obe champion Owura Mahama president. Na ni swadi hu no. Apart from Sini, yes Saglan and the my interview, what kind of platform be so? Today you are telling us that even advert commercials, Crampo and Kofo owners need denial. Okoto wachi ewo laboni owner no so on tom. Apart from this, a dear ba ko ben pa na NDC no Rajo Mahama chia wudi enti affect pa.
Ajima that wa affect my pa there because of what they did to me, They denied my fans the quality entertainment that they have to enjoy.
How?
You see, there's only one Mr. Beautiful on
the fans.
The fans. Not anything.
Okay.
That's the only place, Angler, Makaya, not OMO.
And there's no way the fans will get it back.
No, they will get it back because I'm back. Your mama is back.
Oh, so your mama are back into Super back.
No, you see, Mr. Beautiful is multi-talented. Mr. Beautiful is not just an actor. Mr. Beautiful is an entertainer.
Okay.
Anything entertainment, Mr. Beautiful is for it. That is how God created Mr. Beautiful.
Okay. Kumasi for or Asante region, Kumasi to be specific, some producers or directors are not Sini, now, right?
Of course.
Now, Owura Mahama be president, throw back now.
I'll go. You know why?
Why?
The fact I have problem with you doesn't mean that I have problem with acting.
Okay.
So you were problem. You see, at my market, the only thing that makes me happy is when camera is on me.
Wow.
That's the only thing that makes me happy.
It will be denied how?
Awesome. Wow. Awesome. Ibisa famous.
Yes.
Famous director. Famous Bakachro. Ibisa Ola
Michael.
Obekachro.
Okay.
Ibisa Evander Kwame Ajimai. Ajimai Bakat. Very good.
Odina Obida. No, Odina Obida.
You see,
he's been in the industry director. Odina Obida.
He will never do that. You know why?
No.
He believe in quality. Meaning you enjoy be real crowd I'm out.
Sammy Rasta.
Sammy, you can never say anything negative about me to Sammy, to Evander, to Jones Ajamai, to Akorabeto. No one agree. No, they won't agree.
And to Kumasi producers and directors now a dinner one I here for one.
James Abuaje count.
2.
Mayor Rofo.
Mayor Rofo. No, actually 2.
Impediment mention.
James Abuaje. Not know about James Abuaje din.
James Abuaje young Crawford was champion that thing. That is why I mentioned this, you know. James Abuaje catch him playing there. Mr. Beautiful to wait me a tree na ya come fantasano. Me so when me a movie. No ka James Amenka tree. I don't buy me your pine because me be niska. I don't buy me your pine there.
When you scare
Miracle holiday. Ne make it a bag be about that mundru bag me pressure room. Me pada matter the master of my life.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And nyiniche nyankopon me nyiniche, but one kasa what habits of eating no count because you are what you eat.
It's true. Eti ya no kase wunni any chronic yarebia wo nipedium.
Ajima me me medical check-up be 3-4 months ago. Yaraba krope. No wo me nipedium.
There.
Dam yaraba ni there. I am drinking too much.
No. I didn't know.
I'm a creative person, so I'm always thinking.
Okay.
You see, this music that I produce, at least I will be. I expect.
No, I'll come there.
Okay.
No, I'll come there. Who am I saying?
Muhammad 3. My first born with university, Maritime University, a private university. Yeah.
First born university.
My first born when the second year. Maritime University.
And the second born?
Second born. Final year.
Secondary school.
KB Clerk. East Legon.
Secondary school.
Yes, let's say secondary school.
Yes,
secondary school. Let's say JSS 3.
JSS 3.
Yes, in for the KB Clerk.
Okay. That's private school.
Yeah, private school.
And then the last born.
Also, the same school, private school.
Okay. It's private school East Legon.
Yeah.
Very expensive school.
Because I want to give my children good education. So whether I'm in opposition or not, the little that I get, I make sure I'm pushing my kids.
Where's your wife?
Wife or
Owen.
So any invite an uncle come up by
No, person just see I can say Owen.
Oh Ghana.
Oh no, I know.
Oh fear.
Thank you, beautiful.
And think come kado habilima.
Oh, me concert you are
obi
interview near and cry kwa haba mu. Mr. Beautiful.
How do you go?
Do you know how to sing?
Me a concert ni biani know how to sing.
Sir.
But ni pa mo say melody, key, I say, or friend you fi brew.
Oh yeah then.
Amanza Bernard brew ni junior brother.
Oh okay. Obo instruments in
no. He
pianist.
He understands music.
Okay.
So through him, na me the music as I hear them me. Oh, usisi udompe uti akuma episi. We sang that song.
Akuma episi.
Yeah.
Muna moto ye.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's after that na menye amanza baba ye womba hey Africa womba hey.
Sorry no wombi.
Yeah. Na wombi.
You don't mean it?
Yeah.
Wow. And then you wrote this beautiful song for
I did everything, but fortunately for me, I had a producer. Me keyboardist na me pianist na me programmer no. He understands music.
Okay.
Inta di bia me de boko bia no. Etum tena about 2 days ni yenye adwuma da. We are discussing it. No, this thing we have to put this one here. No, this thing let's do it this way, and then we come out with it.
You come out with it.
I believe in teamwork.
This
I'm to record baby. I'm saying I'm Charlie Bronzy. Check this thing.
Okay. And it's a beautiful song.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. Position Ben a person John Mahama de ma wona na bam.
Position I'm a monitor creative minister no on empire.
Who you prison? No, busy what's it?
Position I'm to my monitor creative act minister no.
Because
if you mess up, hey Charlie, if you mess up, Beji Zimbonama John Mama, hey, I will die with you.
What do you mean by
if you mess up? Other ministry don't famu, but the creative art ministry, you know, so what the mon, ne sabi, e be mess up, e be Zimbonama John Mama, menyubo. I mean the ministry position and mempe. What the monso? Hey, Tiger Eye, I'm watching you.
Why?
Don't misbehave.
Why?
Because it took God intervention. Nothing yankop or your mama back. Tia mobi ambeji zimbona man.
Wow.
No.
But do you know say any minister you be appointed to the Ministry of Creative Art, Tourism, Art and Culture. NDC. Do you know that?
So ya nesuna nyo. So ya Muslim. So ya Christian. So ya charismatic. So ya Hindu. Meminim de wa appointing yipa. Aqua ministry hall. And as I'm talking to you, coach Pepe Bia and you are Oracle tournament. No nyim players or the local. Nyim players already.
Okay.
But Amede mempe because actors and musicians are very dangerous people. Some American he's away. Don't die for any creative art person, okay? When he is hungry, he will give you out. Come the now be Uwama.
Okay.
We are very dangerous people. So be our appointing. I mean your president mama opportunity. Mamini binume deal since 2011 till now. They are very difficult people. It is a minister no appoint to the ministry na ejitum the beye. Na itimi yesu mando na mess up o me Uwama. Me Uwama because me man jidin bone ma mama. Hey, you know that out. No. Me.
Why are you so passionate about that?
Adima asuma make a first time baby and sunga. You be when your mama be a problem. Yes. Because the man is coming with a lion. He's coming like a lion. He will never tolerate any nonsense. Because no one bra on mine was say. On what bear them shock absorb an amayan. The little that I can watch and monitor for him, I will do it. Yeah.
So you are going to be the eye of John Mahama, the president, as far as creative art here concerned.
Hey, Pepe.
How are you going to do this?
Oh.
No, because you will not be in the ministry. So how are you going to do this?
I will use a NAS system.
No. Mr. Clement Bonny. I mean, no. Are you expecting Ora John Mahama president? Sir, obe fa obia or what your industry must say on your creative arts, tourism, art and culture minister na?
President Mama minyim newa on kasa, but onyim bibia, oshe bibia, ohu bibia, but he will never speak. Okay. As I'm talking to you, mobia yena jwende ba na orbe church ro nkrofo de obe minister o. Masa, that man, His Excellency John Dramani Mama, who menya butali steady man no, Onya last minute personal. Must be obeying why ye. Name still start rubber outer, within 3-4 days obey. Because unyimobia, unyim capacity, unyimutuma, unyimumuntumi. The
last time I heard that,
that was only no, in 3 days.
Muhunifi.
There was some creative art in Penyfubia or you too, a crowd than Tibetan, na cross that UGMC.
Okay.
So Amina was no home with the reporter because on Osha one was hospital bills now day on Osha one. Inti tell me Biana more as I'm catching no. Well, I'm the opportunity in there. I can come to him at any given time and tell him.
You have his personal number?
Oh, why not?
Okay.
Why not? Oh no. Maybe last cry on the phone cry away or call program on the phone cry away. Oh no, man, is beautiful. I've taken a new number for phone brand. No, I said phone no number go to save.
So who is president to you? Your mama.
President Mama, make a show there. He's a father.
Okay.
He's a father.
Okay.
Yana ngoti oye family no.
Okay.
Damna what's including Mama Lordina.
Okay.
You see, more video bi ha. Ne birthday no. President Mama ne birthday no. Okay, chum there. Nkrofo pedo nyu ho di ne birthday ne ye old actors and old musicians na ohwe ho no. They are the only people we want to celebrate the birthday with them. So I should organize and bring them.
Okay.
So I did. Charlie, I don't have a foul grain there. What would we do? Mama Lordina, no ukite the ban, ukite drinks. She was the one serving them.
You mean first lady?
Yes, first lady elect. She was the one.
No, we don't elect first lady.
What?
What
the?
No, bro, no.
Or what dish? Or what dish now more?
Oh, any.
Only dish now more.
What is him?
Maka. Queen pa. Hey, Ken pa. On face him. Ken pa. On Jay. Manfano. First lady elect.
There's nothing like that.
Maka.
Oh, bro. Oh, wow. I mean, that's not.
Tell mommy.
So mommy was 7.
Mommy was the one serving them. Going around, serve Pa George or serve Boba J Adolfo. I have a video. Ajamai. Prayers be Ima. Oh no, this man is something. Also, pede only widow no bompay that day. Nti o mama or Boba J Adolfo no bompay first. Obi no see or current widow. Yimi po bompay Keke Kabobo no wife.
Oh yeah, current widow.
Yeah, Keke Kabobo no wife. She was in black. And the woman, but many bomb baby one. Ubi over them will be no be penny.
Okay,
that is President Mahama for you.
Thank you. Who linked you to President Mahama?
Time at President Mahama, or ye minister no.
Minister of Communication.
Communication. Okay, you may be a Cape Coast. Okay. Na Oreba. Obe no but accident though. Accident na mama make home. Nti obo one to hono ko Sopon Hospital.
Okay.
Nti that time in the meeting. Me huni biwa you don't have to be a vice president.
Okay.
To be a vice president na menye abeku krentel e kunfi MP. Na ye ko Professor Mauso. Na ye document bi akoman. Na President Mama Shiam. Wisham was beautiful. Na me say yes sir. Na me say just remember me. I say yes. One of Friday. What's Friday? Take his number.
Speak to the microphone.
One of Friday. No, Friday. Gen number 90 Fikal Musani. No, obey Gem number. That time the AD so didn't so friend Razak. No, so Razak, you to take his number. Then me so much Razak and the number. That was the genesis of me and President Mama.
Wow. The old actors and actresses and the musicians. Who gave President Mahama the idea to take care of them?
He took the decision. Because time I know ye vice no make na Amanzaba one time be Amanzaba ka fund no call APC. You know no obras in or papa be fan APC.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes.
Not Choco.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, yes. Choco. President Mama you be one. Indo idija.
Why?
President Mama. Do best pin in anyone.
Oh no.
He is an entertainer.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. Ope creative people ope wansam.
Wow.
Last okay chem the beautiful. Damon crofona why ye bibi wada magana.
I don't know person be kase go microphone.
Damon crofona why ye bibi wada magana no. If the state failed to take care of them, it will affect the states.
Okay.
In saying one, Obi said, so why you man wajakitua? Yes, wajakitua. But President Mama mentality be. What's the money biara ne population or your lesson entertainment don't pay well. Power the fair. It is the responsibility of the government to support those people. Okay. It's nankasa since our power our position 8 years every 3 months when you sika grow to me 50,000
for what?
Yeah, chama old actors and musicians na widows I wanna year na every 3 months biano we almost 50,000 me as the major man ye mahuni ban mo year na the hospital and the man why ya since our position o yeta mo ba power o
say power crowd have 1 week
power year 1 week ani why ya the man until now every 3 months
we know this one medical
medical
wow
every 3 months obi yara na ma ba kan chire daddy e yara ode at the hospital also okay fa no corner for report na bra na me zinyi pa no ko na me bill na bren na me ekutua bill no na me receipt abren na na balance abren or da me den so kan because ni pa na adwenum che na ni pa adwenum but na balance na me na come
Power FM.
wow and no yeah selected entertainment industry people who follow NDC or across
any human being born by a woman or belongs to creative arts. Onyim MPP ni, onyim NDC. Pa George you ye interview bi.
Of course.
Pa George you ye interview.
Oh, mo ye interview.
Yeah. Ohui, Oshay.
President Mahama Oshay.
Oshay pa. He saw it. We confess any man. Ohui. Oshia Pa George you must mo Pa George.
Okay, today.
Osepa. Aya bibi wa man kama ni panti wa me ya manya me ye manipa.
Oh.
Aya ubetuna for Pa George sisi no ibisa no. O ka Pa George say sad no ye man nye bio.
Oba me interview no.
That's a man kama ni panti wa nya manipa. O ye manya me.
So who's John Mahama?
Ajima sanka mo nya me ni telephone number nke the man nke friend ye bisa because them question I be said the answer is with God.
You don't have the answer.
I don't have an answer. Very kind man. Very, I mean, very humble. Humble. Very, very. I'm telling you. That's why I can't want some, not can negative. I see you like my enemy. Okay. You automatically become enemy to me. Because I'm a mini panel. You say what? At a point, no be a feeder. Go for baby feeder, me simple. Another me, you more more like yeah. Because anything other or can you juma or that shamans and no. Bibi or the Makachana, many permission will be out. I'll go and tell him.
And then they keep you winning President Mahama friendship.
Honesty. Wow. Honesty. Wow. I took a decision to be honest and faithful to him. That has kept me. Okay. Do you think that as a man or young coffee bread? No, I ain't paying a dough. You'll be annoying though. The president to me fa telephone, no afro. Beautiful, where are you? Come home. Beautiful, where are you? Meet me here. Go and do this thing for me. Make the AB Crental. Okobo Foma. When you problem. Unity. Yeah. Was in the Koto Hospital. President Mami fi America Bodu Ghana Thursday. What break. May then my cadamassem yatren. To my friend Uncle Frank Allo. I'm uncle. This is the situation. See, I was not that if you are going to what not playing for almost 12 hours. That's beautiful. Tell him. If you more dash on the kitchen. My friend one fat, then my friend another line. No what the phone come on. Mr. Daddy, this is a situational. To my boy see a mama and they cry. Man, 1 hour later, now a friend from Bank Hospital there. His Excellency, I bet deposit is there. One share AB Crantle. He went there with motorbike.
On one right here?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I'm telling you. He went there with motorbike. Boom. No catch a police from there. It's a moment of wind in it. We feel the walk program. That's in the local hospital. AB Crantle. Okay. Kutuiska. Sansumamiska. Medekwe. Way in the surgery. Maybe son that you open away in the surgery. They also let them do it. They went ahead, they did it. Unfortunately, you lose AB Crenzel. Support our my family, no. Oh, you saw. The same thing applies to KK Kabobo.
Yeah, well, Eugene.
Yeah. Okay, Jana, beautiful. Do everything possible. Nankasa, yeah, the KK Kabobo Koto Hospital. My friend and wife there. His Excellency is a Fanuko Hospital. Fanuko UGMC. No, the Kabobo Koi. Fi anapa. Kese we are 1 o'clock. Na Kabobo to one kasa no. obia or kidney and liver problem. One kasano. President Mama do hospital when I won't there. Kabobo and son will recognize. Oh, sir, KK Kabobo ni.
Because now you're renting out was a son.
With Dimrika. No catch a one fan VIP, he will pay. That day no deposit isika. No, then no mama KK Kabobo no wife. The in case of Rami, beautiful no winyama, on friend Ankasa direct. President Mama or Nigerian or from. Was beautiful. KK Kabobo no wife from say. Omo korani test bi omo hiska nti kosimesi wo kwaji say na fa komano and I did it. Mekaida no oya president no roko takrada ka program of Frank Ibrahim ni private jet no ozokwai mo wana mo do from around 1 midnight or from me picky me say daddy enda ya no se na wada na say na we president wo pressure do so me does me na when you say I channel permit to coin, I'm saying yes, daddy. Also, okay, do me fear have 5 a.m. One can some crowd. We 2 car 5 a.m. We do ni fear. Me fresh security or friend. Also let him in. Security de me kwai. Also we are going to Takrady. What is say CK man Ayare Eda. Coco clinic Kasaba Kapuha hospital. Nam daddy mean so Yare. And also imagine to hospital. And I said, how did you get this information? I'm a president. Okay. And information being gets to me. Okay, I'm going with you. So wait, you do Takrady and now walk over no. We are for next flight to Accra. Na ba pako ne na share ye Kumasi. Ne e programs who Kumasi. Or them share private jet in them. Just to go and take care of CK man. Yes. Power the fam. That's the man I'm talking about. That is why I mean Papa no. Okay. Lady be one of the ladies, young Phoebe, no the win your problem one and no the witch and none. Okay. Utia 46,000 Ghana cedis. Motumi the videos nesika everything or phone you motumi that show. Adam made to me in an answer be everything or smam wo I'll come with evidence.
Yeah, with video.
With video.
I remember one Mama Doctor issue.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That is what has kept me. Power the fam. Because nyipanye. It's true. My dad and Risha won't say me na me video. Na me da kachran. Daddy, I don't know kada man fan kama jama DJ may deliver. This is the video. I'm done. Until obi fake kakada I don't know the so me beautiful don fan kama jama no. One fan kwa our live video. Or they have delivered it.
Has it been a day obi aye na so person was sell chire President Mahama nenso anyi?
Don't wait for a destroyer to make the move. Protect power the fam. Your name.
You have been protecting it, but has it been a day I will be I make an attempt?
Mean to manka. But the yawo yenyi pa
and then media.
Na media. We need to be between me ayetiao. Obu ho hu wenyi mukra no otano for no reason. Obitano for no reason. But otano for no reason.
In your own estimation, would you say then a contribute to President Mahama in this huge percentage of this election?
Nipa Jen Nipa Nyiminyansa. Internal constitution when you're 18 years and above or mukwando to aba. Sure. Obi had the 18 years na the conscience na adwene odentremo or function well or ye dwuma pepepe. Ghana for atena fom wasted in our watch when there. There's no iota of lies in John Dramani or Kanokwaro. I quite remember there. I think IMF one boss has said, okay, Chende, you are too honest to be a president of African nation. Yes.
President
No, but you are too honest. You see, kind of way that why a mistake. And are you good that the master no see. So the master name sir and can you who mama no for so. Lumba can't send be. Or can't send be. Okay. See. Senko nim say Jesus say Obewa manai dia dena betri swankwayo. Na ye Israel say Obewa di kumfo manai ndie ni tuetra wedding kugo. Senko nim say Jesus say Obewa manai diadena betri nina betri swankwanyo sankana bonsam nyimde orukum Yesu mana hinza be kesasena anka wenkun akufado na nuanom sankana wenyimde wotie sika ma media men wo gujoma mananyim ase wa pam no yayaya akatene fie na etwiri nyankopon the power, the supreme power they make it an insane. Your mama can wake up one day morning, or you're a bad person. So them power was I'm a president, mammy. Sanko the man kufada, and can hear you which say it. Can you Ghana?
Oh no,
no,
but he's the president now.
No, he's a president now.
So
what I'm saying is the kind of person he is. Can you believe that when you could join cancer away, you were set to die in a movie? Na land cruiser baho. Obebisande what's that your mama misika de one from brown away wo brain is can on physical mam nam fa your mama this can come na le we bisande na ona bona minimuti kumase da unim se mi yeska
no say it again, you say what
menin cancer kojon cancer le we menene was set so na land cruiser base wo dem mo say your friend cancer land cruiser nemo asamne se omate se menini ye adwuma jo mama mami sikasa me mfrem bro no le wen nti sika bia na me de ba no omfa made mame na mfa jo mama de nkoma no omo abase omo brani bi
ase anything
a wickedness. They hate your mama to extend there just anything your mama or your rubbish. But today look at what God has done, or this or total power no or the kita jo mama or you bonfire one day obutum wa sorry there mobia anyene yere ndebium you have to listen.
Oh, he will say that. That one I know John will not say that because no can't move from
no me can't so
no can't be move from no
oh you need bonfire
don't cite this example.
Hey, you enjoy your wife pa because because I thought not me channel about how
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So you need bonfire one day obutuma catch the MPP fu nyina there mobia ndwansi bio.
It's true.
It will come to pass. But onye nipa bonfo obe use power na ma benefit Ghana, a benefit unborn children, not his personal interest. Or can I go to the personal interest? And I don't think then Koba be a president in Pobio. I don't even think. From the way me I'm minimum going yet.
When the war MPP more
Power the fam.
Ninti Emma Baumia Lucy Potosa.
Ajamai, damn question ya ebisemi. Sanka me a life detector machine. Nka mutu me yuano. But for now, me nipa or mam Baumia Lucy dam. No to me, I had the arrogance of power. President Akufo-Addo nuanom would demonstrate
Power.
on our contribute to that shame and disgrace. Because Sanka wabre won say no one manage. You see, to me cut TV there one open or to mame. Hey, Kumase abonten so. Almost why MPP for Ankotwaba, Omotoye pa. They voted. Wotwaba pa. But in him, failure to even vote is also a vote.
It's true. To think not to vote.
Yes.
For your party.
Yes, it's also a vote.
Sure.
It's also a vote.
Yeah. In political science.
Yeah.
It's true.
So to me,
It's true.
they voted.
Yeah.
But one cat nefi 16 years to 20 years, no one get your homework well.
Now we know say every government go for 4 years.
One cat nefi 16 to 20 years, no one can get your homework.
Why are you saying 16 or 20?
Because
Power the fam.
unfortunately for them, no. Adibia we be about social media for so many years.
Rebecca forever.
Inti abofobia ko social media. No okohwe the doings of President Akufo-Addo and his ministers are he will never or she will never vote for them.
By that time now, President Akufo-Addo is no more the president, and then on your candidate is
Wabeye the trademark. Wabeye scar in the minds of Ghanaians. Punishment awada magana for. Dr. Bawumia ma later on na mempenasem. The reason is so pay not in a firma from a warrior nankano, so what can nankario for or come.
Ababa will be bube will be me chen my menka.
I demand him send to America the man.
I
I don't hear me yaw president vice president but me no there. O to me tina ho mo wudi ayer for wuska. Onya do shimwaro.
Ayer for me.
COVID is can one jane there. Sika was the bed one for shire for. What's home what chedi one country.
No. Did you see them sharing the money? No, please.
Opinina otifie mamo from a renankan. So one can or can nankario for what can fra.
Until they beno and they qualify. I mean the sharing of the money.
Sure. Say report in the beno. What say COVID sika da what the
yeah.
Mini obi crampo bakado on what a chairman one.
FM.
You see, inti ayarfu wuska. Hey, what's him yet know? You see, if you want to know a wicked person, look for obia odi yarfu nisika, obia odi nyufre nisika. En obia mobile, the obia oyer nisika. That punishment will follow MPP forever. I am telling you. That curse will follow them forever.
Curse ben.
Ayarfu wusika na wache no. COVID sika na wache no ewa. Se boni bia rinzi wechira. Them COVID money alone will haunt them forever. Because obi oye wicked no to me adama.